One of the fastest ways to start an online business is to sell dropshipping products. But can you do that on Etsy? In short, yes. With Printful, you can start dropshipping and selling hundreds of print-on-demand products to your Etsy customers. If you plan to sell on Etsy, you should know that Etsy has rules for sellers that restrict certain types of dropshipping. For example, mass-produced items that don't align with Etsy's emphasis on unique, handcrafted items are forbidden from being sold on the website. Etsy has a strict policy that all items must be either handmade, individually designed, or vintage. But here's the good news. You can dropship Printful's print-on-demand products on Etsy. That's because custom dropshipping products can be tailored to each customer's preferences, unlike mass-produced dropshipping products from Amazon and AliExpress. Compared to the flood of mass-produced items from dropshipping providers, custom print-on-demand products are created only when your customers purchase from your Etsy store. You can customize hundreds of products from Printful's product catalog and push them to your Etsy store. Think of best-selling items Etsy customers love, like stickers, pins, posters, mugs, and apparel under your brand. Printful runs your order's entire production process with facilities across the globe, customizing products with your designs, conducting a 3-step quality check, and shipping them to your customers. On top of that, you can grow your Etsy customer base without worrying about fulfillment delays. Printful's global network of facilities can handle any order volume, whether you have one or thousands of orders daily. Leave production to Printful while you focus on growing your business, increasing sales, and engaging with your audience. Here's a neat feature you can add to your Etsy store, the product personalization tool. Give your Etsy customers the opportunity to interact with your brand by letting them personalize their orders, adding extra value and a personal touch to your brand. Keep in mind that your Etsy listings should clearly state that your items are fulfilled with a print-on-demand provider. Plus, always make sure that your designs are unique, don't break any copyright laws, and adhere to Etsy's policies. Ready to dive in and start dropshipping print-on-demand products with Etsy and Printful? Head over to the Printful website and check out our tutorial video to get started.